You are soon on YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to the next episode. Today we're gonna talk about this Hatteker SK100. So stay tuned. So now that we are back, let's see what this trimmer got. I love and I also hate this trimmer. Got 1500 milliamp battery, 2.5 hours charging time, 180 minutes using time. So let's open it up, man. A very good packaging. I've never seen anything like this on a budget trimmer before, but it was a little bit expensive. This trimmer, a good packaging. It got a stand, which is very good. We'll come to that later. So inside, charging cable, the manual, 1 2 3 4 guards, and a little brush, and I got this adapter. Okay, but this is not a European adapter. I don't know why they put it even. So to the love and hate trimmer, this is a really good stand because it got a little weight to it. It won't shake, not it will shake it. Really good stand. So now to the trimmer. Here's the charging port. Here's the LCD display. And the blade is not zero gapped. And you cannot also zero gap this blade. And you can change with T-white blade, wall T-white blade. You cannot change with it, because this one is a little bit wider. The holes are a little bit wider. It's really a beautiful trimmer, believe me. Let's do some sound check. Sound is okay. So let's open it up, man. And one thing, if you are opening any trimmer blade for the first time, when you just open the box and you want to unscrew these two screws, don't ever use this type of screw, because when you try to unscrew, it doesn't have force, to unscrew it. So you will ruin these screws. Always use the thicker one, so when you press, it can open. So this is how it looks like. You see that? The space? It's too much, and you cannot zero gap it, which is very bad. And it don't even cut. Since you cannot zero gap this, I tried before with wall blade with cam follower, and it was too loud, So my old blade, I don't know where I got this blade from. This one is zero gap. I put this I tried it on and it was still too loud. So I guess this cam follower is too big, you know. So to be zero gapped, and this is the last place, you know. So somehow it's not possible to be zero gapped. It's not. What? You see, it's not possible to be zero gapped. And this and this doesn't fit, you know. This is the problem. You see that? It doesn't fit. You see, it's really loud. But this one and the other one, they are the same, you know. But still, let's try. Okay, this one is not loud. Now, this one is loud with this cam follower, and this one is not loud. You know, you see, this one is wider. You see that? This one is wider and loud. So now, what I did now is this is the original cutting blade, you know. So I took another cutting blade from my old trimmer junk, you know, that I had, you know, and I guess this cutting blade is somehow too small. So, but I took the cam follower and put it on my old cutting blade, you know. Now it's perfectly zero gapped, you know. So this blade is too small, you know. So let's see if maybe it's too loud or perfect now. So perfect. Now they cut good. See that? It's perfect now, really perfect. So it's 5,975 RPM. And where to download this app will be on the description. Okay? Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official himself. You know, I wanna say thanks to Caden Returns One. He just found this streamer. Somebody posted it on YouTube, and he just told me Cadence Returns One. You know, thanks to him, he's a good fan. You know, he just quickly sent me the link and say, hey, I should look. You know, I saw it. companies that make trimmers or anything, you know, there must be one or two defects from all the products that you are making. You know, there must be one or two defects. You know, it can be mine comes really good, but mine is not VGR. Mine is Hatteker, but they are the same, you know, because they just put their logo there. That's it, you know. It's the same. Nothing different, you know. Mine comes really perfect, you know. The only problem I had is with the, you know, zero gapping the blade. So I now make it, you know, so for me it's okay now. As you can see, wait, it's a perfect zero gapping. Wait, you see that? And it cuts really good now, you know. I didn't even sharpen the blade, you know. What I did is the cutting blade was too small, you know. So I now remove the cam follower and the other parts of the cam follower. Then I just change the blade, put another blade. I can't remember from which clipper trimmer that was, you know. So I just remove it and it fits. It's perfect for me now, you know. So maybe you can really see it. It's perfect zero gapping, you know. You see that? Yes. I used the same cam follower that came with it and the other black piece, you know. It's not loud anymore. You see that? It's not loud. It's perfect now and it cuts really good. Yes. So, peace, man.
Okona mavena rien okona ekani koti argument e wala okona mavena rien